Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix messy doll hair on this beautiful Rainbow High Kia Hart. As you can see, her hair is in a bad condition, but we're going to fix that. First, we're going to get rid of her rubber bands. Then, we will soak her hair in boiling water to straighten it. The next step would be to give her hair a good wash. I use shampoo and conditioner. Gently brush off her hair. Here's what she looks like after those procedures. For our next trick, we'll need a flat iron and some parchment paper. We don't want to burn doll hair, so we're wrapping our flat iron in some parchment paper. Have your flat iron on the lowest setting. As you can see, I parted her hair into 6 even ponytails. That's because I chose a special hairstyle for her that you will see later. If you are unsure, straighten the hair at the bottom first. Repeat for the rest of the hair. Look how straight and shiny her hair is. And now we're going to style her hair. Separate the top ponytail into 2 even parts. Bring the hair around the second ponytail and connect it to the third ponytail using the rubber band. I'm using orange rubber bands so that you can see clearly where they are and how you do it. Pull some hair out gently to create a fluffy look. Repeat for the rest of the hair. A little finishing touch. Just look at that doll. She looks so much better. Her hair is so shiny and nice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.